Hey everyone, welcome to Beautyistic. If you're anything like me, you know that eyeshadow can make or break a look, so choosing the right palette is absolutely key. Today, I'm taking a deep dive into the Too Faced Better Than Chocolate eyeshadow palette, a product that promises high pigment, a mix of shimmer and matte finishes, and a formula that's designed to blend like a dream. Let's find out if it lives up to the hype. The Too Faced Better Than Chocolate palette comes in a sleek, compact design and boasts 16 carefully curated shades. With a mix of both matte and shimmer finishes, this palette covers all your bases from natural to bold, making it a go-to for a variety of looks. It's 0.7 ounces of eyeshadow goodness, and I'll be taking you through my personal experience with it. First things first, application. This palette is incredibly easy to work with. The matte shades glide on smoothly, blending effortlessly without patchiness, which is crucial when you're creating those seamless, everyday looks. The shimmer shades are just as smooth, with a stunning payoff. There's no fallout to speak of, which is a huge plus. But what really impressed me is how buildable the pigments are. You can go from a subtle wash of color to a more intense, dramatic effect without any trouble. Now let's talk about wearability. I wore these shadows for a full day, and I'm happy to report that they held up incredibly well. No creasing, no fading, even after hours of wear. They stayed vibrant and in place throughout the day, which is something I definitely look for in a palette, especially when I'm spending long hours out and about. As for the shades, they really do offer something for everyone. You've got rich chocolates, deep berries, soft neutrals, and some fun pops of metallic. It's a well-rounded collection that lets you create anything from a soft everyday look to a bold evening smoky eye. And the best part? The blendability. Whether you're going for a soft gradient or a more dramatic cut crease, the shadows blend into each other effortlessly, giving you the professional grade finish you want without needing expert level skills. Of course, no product is perfect, and there are a couple of areas where I think this palette could improve. The packaging, while cute, feels a little on the flimsy side. I do wish it had a more sturdy feel, especially considering the price point. Additionally, while the color payoff is impressive, some of the shimmer shades could use a little more sparkle. It's subtle, which some people may like, but for those who want a more intense glimmer, you might have to build it up a little more. As for value for money, this palette sits on the higher end of the spectrum, but I think it's worth the investment if you're looking for a versatile, high-quality palette with a solid color selection. If you're someone who loves having both matte and shimmer options in one compact, the Too Faced Better Than Chocolate palette has definitely earned its place in your collection. There are some more affordable alternatives out there, like the ColourPop Bare Necessities palette, which offers a similar color range and pigmentation at a lower price. But if you're someone who loves the Too Faced formula and prefers a more luxury feel, this palette is a great choice. Now, I can't speak to their customer support personally, but Too Faced has a solid reputation for responding quickly to inquiries, so if you ever have an issue with your palette, I'm sure they'll take care of you. As for build quality, the palette's small size makes it easy to travel with, and despite the packaging feeling a little cheap, the eyeshadows themselves are top-notch. I don't foresee any issues with how long this palette will last, as long as you store it properly. To sum it all up, the Too Faced Better Than Chocolate eyeshadow palette delivers high-quality performance with its rich, blendable shades and long-lasting wear. Sure, it could be improved with sturdier packaging and more intense shimmer, but overall, it's a versatile and dependable addition to any beauty routine. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. Thanks so much for watching. If you've used this palette, drop a comment below and share your thoughts. Let's keep the conversation going. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.